Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I am showing you how to do a smoky eye in only 3 minutes. This is so easy, the technique is so easy, so I really hope you enjoy it. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using is the Kylie Cosmetics bronze palette, and out of that right hand column I'm going to pick the middle shade as my transition shade. So on a fluffy brush I'm going to take this backwards and forwards through my crease to build it up. I like to start with a little bit and then just keep applying a little bit more as I go, and I'm not winging this out, so I'm just going to finish my blend on the very outer corner of my eye, and that is where I'm going to stop. I'm not going to wing it out today. My trick to a smoky eye is using a dark base, so I'm just using a gel eyeliner and I'm working this in the back of my hand to warm it up so it's easier to work with. I'm starting by applying this across my lash line, so this is where I want it to be the most darkest, and then I'm going to start moving up, tapping this product and blending it out, making it softer and softer as I go up to that transition shade. If you don't feel comfortable using a gel eyeliner, you can use a pencil liner and do the exact same with this, or a cream eyeshadow stick. It's going to make the colours that we put on next look a lot smokier. This trick is just the easiest way to do a smoky eye. Next, I am taking that dark brown out of the palette and I'm simply just tapping this over that gel liner just to set it in place, and you can see that it makes the brown look a lot darker and a lot richer. You can do this with a black eyeshadow if you wanted to do a dark purple, a dark blue, dark green. Use the exact same steps and it will make it look a lot more smokier. Again, I am building this up slowly, so I'm just going to keep going back into the palette and applying a little bit more of that shadow all over the eyeliner so I know it's all covered and it's all set in place. And once I am happy with that, I'm taking any excess which is left on my brush and I'm just running this through the crease where that eyeliner meets the transition shade, and then I'm simply just taking that first transition shade again and just blending everything out, making it look nice and seamless, just buffing out the edges so you can't see where anything starts or finishes. Next, I'm simply lining my top and lower waterline. I love doing this when I'm doing a smoky eye, it really does add to the effect. And then we can move on to blending the under eyes. The under eyes again are really simple and easy, so I'm taking the first transition shade, blending this down, buffing this out, making it look nice and blown out, and then I'm going in with the darker shade closer to the lash line this time, so we've got that nice gradient. The further down you blend your shadows, the more smokier this will look, so don't be afraid to blend this out a little bit further than you usually would. Next, I am applying a couple of coats of mascara and then applying my lashes. I went for more sort of full lashes. I feel like this looks really nice with a smoky eye. And then to complete the look, I am going to apply a little bit of highlighter. Any highlighter will look really nice and just finish this off. And then that completes my 3-minute smoky eye. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you did, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye!